I regularly get 80 plus voiceover auditions a day. Right now, I'm doing between 40 to 50 a day because I'm not a complete psycho at the moment and just had a kid. But I have people that tell me getting that many auditions is impossible, let alone doing 40 to 50 a day or 50, 60 like I usually do. And in this video, I'm gonna show you it's not only possible, it's necessary if you wanna make six figures in voiceover. What's up, everybody? If you're new here, my name is Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor and coach. I've done over 2,000 voiceover commercials. I've made $1 million in voiceover, and I'm also the narrator for Backroad Truckers on History and Hulu channel, but I think it's canceled. But more importantly, I run VoiceOver School, where we teach you exactly how to build a six-figure voiceover business from home. And if you want to learn my exact system for getting flooded with auditions every single day, smash the like button, hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, because this is going to change your voiceover game forever. So here's the thing that most voice actors don't understand. Voiceover is largely a numbers game. You got to be good, but it's still a numbers game. If you're only getting 10 to 15 auditions a day, you're playing in the minor leagues. I don't care how good you are. Let's do the math. If your booking ratio is 1 in 50, which is pretty good, and you're only doing 15 auditions a day, you're booking one job every 3 to 4 days. That's maybe 6 to 8 jobs a month. But if you're getting 50 plus auditions daily with the same booking ratio, you're booking one job every single day. That's 25 to 30 jobs a month. See the difference? The voice actors making six figures aren't necessarily more talented than you. They're pretty good, yeah, but they're just getting in front of more opportunities. More auditions equals more bookings equals more money. It's that simple. So how do you get these 50 auditions? Jesse, tell us now, how do you get the elusive 50 plus auditions daily? It starts with masteringvoices.com. First, you got to have your profile set up perfectly, and I mean perfectly. Your demos need to be really well done. They don't have to be professional demos, but they got to be pretty good. Your tags need to be spot on. Your profile needs to showcase exactly what you can do. You need like 50 plus demos on there, or jobs that you've done before, or professional demos if you're rich. But here's the key, because even with all that, you gotta have some skills when you're auditioning, because you wanna get likes, listens, and bookings. The algorithm rewards performance. You gotta get those. When you start on Voices, you might get like 5 to 7 auditions a day. But if you're consistently booking and you're getting likes on your auditions, that will turn into 10, 15, 20 plus auditions a day. I regularly get between 30 and 40 auditions a day as a top talent on voices.com. That's what I expect daily. That's what you want to strive for. I'm not special. I only get that many, not because I talk about them in kind of a positive light on YouTube. It's because I work really damn hard and I have a really good booking and like to listen ratio. And you can do it too. It's easier than you think. You just got to put in a lot of reps and you got to be good. And when you're getting that many auditions on there, it makes everything so much easier. It's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen. You got to be striving for that goal. As long as you're getting training and you're good. And here's a huge indicator. If you're not getting at least one private invite a day, your profile and your demos aren't set up correctly. Your demos either aren't any good or you didn't tag them properly. You need to learn how to do that. Check out VoiceOver School, where we teach you exactly what to do, how to tag them, how many to throw up, what direction you should be going in VoiceOver. Next up, we got Voice123, my favorite platform. Don't cheap out here. You want to get in at the $2,200 membership level. Oh my God, that's so much, Jesse. Relax. You don't have to pay it all at once. It's paid quarterly, $600 every 3 months. If you don't think you can book $600 worth of jobs off of Voice123, then you don't need to be on Voice123. You need to get more training. $600 in 3 months is nothing. You should be getting at least 15 to 20 auditions a day or more. If you're not, something's wrong with your setup. Voice123 at the premium level is crucial because you get access to the best jobs and more audition invitations. This isn't a place to save money. This is an investment in your business. So many people try to do voiceover for free, and I just... It kills me. It crushes me, because you have to invest money in any business you're getting into. Try and open up a store for free. Maybe you get some other investors, but they got to invest money. If you're going to do anything in business, you're going to have to spend money. Hey, you can send out direct emails if you want. I know somebody that sent out, 25 a day for 2 months and got 1 response. You want to do that, or you want to spend your day auditioning, which is going to get you closer to your goal faster? So I digress. Up next, we have agents. You need multiple agents. 3 to 5 agents is good. I have 3 right now. No, 4 agents. Whoops, sorry. You don't even have to stop at 3 to 5. You can get 10 plus if you want to be a complete psycho, but solid 3 to 5 agents will do the trick. And I'm talking about agents across different markets. Los Angeles, New York, Atlanta, Chicago, Canadian agents, Vancouver, Montreal, Toronto. That's a ton of agents right there. And that's just in North America. And each agent should be sending you between 3 to 5 auditions per day. Do the math. 5 agents, 4 auditions each equals 20 auditions just from agents. You might have some small market agents that only send you 1. You might have agents like one of my agents who's a psycho sends me 10 plus a day. It all evens out. You're probably going to get about 20 a day. If you have 5 plus agents, if you don't, get 10. Agents, like direct marketing, are free to get, but the agents do the marketing for you. Better than cold marketing. But here's the key. You need to be consistently trying to get better agents. The better the agents you get, the more auditions you get, the better quality of auditions you get. It's a beautiful cycle. Beautiful. Now, here's something most voice actors never think about. Direct client relationships. Did I say delect? I did. Direct client relationships. Every job you book through a platform should become a direct relationship. Do a good job with your clients and keep in touch. That's it. They'll send you more auditions from time to time. Just keep in touch with them. They will forget about you. This isn't about being pushy or asking for work. It's about being professional, reliable, and staying in their orbit. When they have future projects, they'll think about you first to stay top of mind. These direct client auditions help round out the final numbers to get you past 50 plus daily. See? Not that difficult. Do you do it overnight? Can be done depending on your budget, but it might also take you a while. And here's the thing that separates the pros from the wannabes. Consistency. You can't do 50 auditions one day and 5 the next. You need to show up every single day. Platforms reward consistency. Agents remember reliable talent. Clients work with people they can count on. I audition 6 days a week, sometimes 7. 50 plus auditions daily, except for the weekends, I do a little less. Even when I don't feel like it, even when I'm tired, even when I'm not feeling creative and I would rather go to the beach, I do it because it's my job. But here's what I learned. The best form of marketing is always going to be auditioning. Every audition is a chance to get in front of a new client or an old client, even if you don't book that specific jobs. I have booked so many jobs that weren't the job that I auditioned for. You know, I booked a Reese's March Madness spot that played during March Madness, obviously, and I didn't audition for that spot. They offered it to me off an audition I did a year before that. Think about that. Next time you audition, don't try to get that job. Try to create a relationship. Do the best job you can. Some people say, Jesse, shouldn't you focus on quality over quantity? And I've definitely heard that argument. And here's my take. You need both. You can do both. But if I had to choose, I'd rather do 50 good auditions than 10 perfect ones because perfect is the enemy of done, and done gets you paid. Plus, the more you audition, the better you get. Volume creates quality. It really does. I don't care if people say doing a lot of auditions isn't going to make you better. It certainly most is. Look at anything in life. Anything you do consistently over time, you will get better at. It's just a rule of life. Is it a rule of life or did I just make that up? It's a rule. Do me a favor. If you've never played baseball before, go to a batting cage and hit the ball. Do it every single day for an hour for a month straight. Tell me you're not better by the end of that with no coaching. Volume creates quality. Pair that with coaching. Oh my God, you're going to be a beast. And here's the sad truth. You can't get good at auditioning by doing only 10 auditions a week, but you can get damn good by doing 50 plus daily. So let's add all this up. Voices.com, properly optimized 30-40 auditions a day. Voice 123, premium level, $2,200 level, 15 to 20 auditions daily. 3 to 5 agents, maybe a little bit more, 15 to 25 auditions daily. Direct clients, 5 to 10 auditions a day. That's easily 65 to 95 auditions daily. Even if you're more conservative with your numbers, you're still hitting 50 plus, no problem. Getting 50 plus auditions daily isn't magic. It's a strategy, systems, and consistency. Most voice actors are playing small. They're content with 15, 20 auditions and wondering why they're not making money or gaining any ground at all. If you want to go full time and really do this, and you want to learn the exact systems I use to manage 50 plus auditions daily, if you want to know how to optimize your profiles for maximum auditions, if you want the step-by-step process for turning this into a 6-figure and beyond business, check out VoiceOver School. The links are in the description below. We don't just teach you how to read better copy. We teach you how to build a real business that generates consistent opportunities. Again, links are in the description. And drop a comment. How many auditions a day are you doing right now? What's holding you back from getting more? I want to hear from you. Is it the fact that you don't have an agent? Is it the fact that you've been scared to buy into Voice 123 because you've been told that if you audition for things that aren't right for you, that you'll go to the bottom of the pile? Just audition well. Or maybe it's voices. Maybe you're not getting enough bookings and likes on there consistently, and you're stuck in the 5 to 7 auditions. You got it, and you haven't worked your way up. Not getting bookings and likes on voices.com, it's a strong indicator that you need to continue working on your skills. So get some coaching. And if you like this video and it resonated with you, hit the like button. If this opened up your eyes to what's actually possible, subscribe for more real talk about building a voiceover business, and I will see you in the next one. Don't just audition more, audition smarter. Peace.